Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Now just before I start today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you on behalf of myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements to all of our YouTube followers who decided to join our Signal service. We had a record number of you join our service over the weekend, so a huge thank you. But back to the S&P 500, as you can see, we're currently trading up at 4,071, which is an all-time high. S&P 500 has it's traded very, very nicely since we bounced off the 50-day EMAs below 3,900 about 2.5 weeks ago. I'm very, very bullish here. The reopening trade is in full effect. It's mostly, the likes of the financials, the banks, the airline stocks, the restaurant stocks, which have carried the S&P 500 so high over the past couple of months. But this week we've seen a bounce back in tech, and this was something that I've been warning that I'd anticipated and warned you guys about. I said that at the moment tech stocks still offer fantastic value, and we still do today. You have the likes of Apple, which is currently 20% below its all-time high. Nvidia's off 20% off its all-time high. CrowdStrike's 25% off its all-time high. So people are going to start taking profits in the restaurants, in the banks, in the airline stocks, in the cruise ships. And they're going to then reinvest these profits into the growth stocks. And when I say the growth stocks, I mean the tech stocks. So the likes of Google, the likes of CrowdStrike, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, you name it. And that's what's going to drag the S&P 500 higher, because don't forget, guys, Apple is the most heaviest weighted stock here in the S&P 500. So if Apple trades back up towards its all-time high, which is 20% higher, then that's going to drag the S&P 500 up along with it. So I'm extremely bullish here. I just want to make it I just want to make you all aware that the likes of JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, they both have collective price targets up at 4,300 and 4,400 for the end of 2021 for the S&P 500, which would indicate roughly an 8% move higher from the current levels. So I still believe the S&P 500 has a lot higher to go. I'm extremely bullish, especially as we have an economic boom as we start to reopen and the economic figures start to improve. So I am bullish here. Going into the end of the week, I'm looking for a move up towards 4,100. I don't want to be putting too much money to work here at all-time highs, especially with the RSI now at 68. I'm just going to circle the RSI. So that tells us that, we probably have got a little bit overextended in a short run, which we have. We've had a nice rally over the past couple of weeks. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do pull back, maybe go and test 4,000 as the new floor. But I think as long as we're trading above 4,000, you have to stay very, very bullish. And in fact, as long as we're trading above the 50-day EMA, which is up down at 3,900, you should be bullish here in the S&P 500.